Become an English proficiency expert. First point, advance speaking fluency. Develop rhetorical skill. Learn to use persuasive techniques like ethos, credibility, pathos, emotion, and logos. Logging in your speeches. Example, in debates or presentations, focus on compelling storytelling to influence listeners. Master culture nuances. Understand idiomatic and colloquial expression used in different English speaking regions. Example, British versus American slang. Example, biscuit in the UK US versus cookie in the US. Participate in professional discussions. Engage in high level discussions such as policy debates, panel discussion, and business meeting. Use structured arguments backed by evidence and clarity of thoughts. Point number second, writing at a professional level. Perfect the art of formal writing. Point number second, write essay, reports, business proposals, and research papers with precision. Structure, introduction, main body, conclusion. Use advanced connectors. Example, in light of this, notwithstanding, therefore. Point number third, experiment with creative writing. Point number four, write short stories, novels, or scripts. Focus on vivid imaginary, character development, and plot in intricacies. Point number five example, the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in uses of amber and crimson. Point number six, edit and proofread like a pro. Point number seven, learn advanced proofreading techniques to identify grammatical errors, redundancy, and awkward phrasing. Point number third, critical listening and analysis. Engage with advanced content, English to academic podcast, business seminars, and university lectures. Example, podcasts like Free Communicates Radio or the Tim Ferriss Show. Take notes like a scholar. While listening, jot down key points and summarize in your own words. Focus on identifying the speaker's tone, intent, and argument structure. Point number four, advanced vocabulary mastery. Focus on domain specific vocabulary, medicine, prognosis, diagnosis, pathology, law, jurisprudence, litigation, statute, business, synergy, profit margins, scalability. Practice words substitutions. Replace basic words with advanced synonyms to elevate your speech. Example, instead of happy, use elated or ecstatic. Learn through context. Read novels, research articles, and news editorials. Analyze how words are used in a sentence. Fifth point number, perfect accents and pronunciation. Accent refinements. Use apps like ELSA, Speak to improve pronunciation. Practice stretch, writing, and inno- intonation. Example, I live in Mumbai, neutral intonations versus I living in Mumbai, emphasized tone. Understand phonetics. Study the International Phonetics Alphabet IPA to understand the sound of English words. Point number six, deep dive into literature. Analyze classic and modern works. Read and critique works like Shakespeare plays, example Hamlet, Macbeth. Modern novels, example The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini. Understand themes and symbolism. Discuss literature devices like metaphors, allegories, and motifs. Point number seven, advanced reading strategies. Speech reading, train yourself to read faster while maintaining compressions. Example, use app like Spreader to practice. Summarize complex text. After reading, summarize academic articles or books in concise paragraphs. Focus on the author's main argument and supporting evidence. Point number 8. Develop leadership communication. Speak with authority. Practice addressing large audiences with confidence. Example: simulate leadership scenarios like presenting a vision to a team. Give constructive feedback. Learn to provide feedback in a polite yet assertive way. Point number 9. Practice multitasking in English. Watch an English movies and simultaneously take notes, dialogues and accents. Engage in activities like live debates while jotting down key argument. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to Subclass Academy Mind, where learning English is fun and easy. See you in the next video. Keep learning and growing. Thank you.